Hello, I'm Louie Stowell. I'm a writer and illustrator, and I want to tell you about Loki, Tales of a Bad God, which is my £1 or €1.5 book for World Book Day 2024. I write and illustrate funny books about mythology and magic. Loki, Tales of a Bad God is about part of my series on Loki. He's a trickster god. He's been sent down to Earth in the form of a mortal child for pulling one too many pranks. His mission? Learn to be good. Here are a few of my previous books. This is the Loki series. Hard to hold, too many books. And I've also written books about dragons, fairies, and you might know Doctor Who. Some of them I've written the words for. Others I've written the words and drawn the pictures, the Loki series, for instance. I love doing both because a story can be told in so many different ways, and when you get to use words and pictures together, it's kind of a beautiful harmony of things. Often I find the pictures are a good way to show things that maybe a character doesn't want to admit to themselves, and Loki, there's a lot of stuff he doesn't want to admit.